Welcome, Dr. Nitin here. I'm going to show you a brilliant new way of using Copilot to your advantage. This requires premium or paid version of Copilot. Copilot has access to all the data which you have access to. So I'm going to ask Copilot, look at all my data or whatever you can and categorize the kind of work I do and give me the percentage time or effort I spend. But before we do that, Copilot has to know who you are. First step is custom instructions. Go to Copilot, preferably on Edge browser. Go to under these three dots, settings, go to personalization, make sure custom instructions is on, and click on edit instructions. By default, this text box is blank, but you should put details about what you do. Right now, as a demo, I have just put 3 lines, but ideally, you should put all this and more. You should also add your output preferences so that Copilot responds in a more precise and relevant manner. Save the instructions and close this dialog. Now I want to ask Copilot to look at all my data and tell me what exactly I do. Now that requires a prompt. Now, this prompt is important. So I'm going to write the prompt, but I'm going to ask Prompt Coach to improve my prompt. Shift Enter to get a new line. And this is my prompt. Analyze everything you know about me and categorize the type of work I do. Calculate the percentage, give me some ideas to improve stuff. Now let's put this in Prompt Coach. Take the improved prompt. Don't drag and select. Just double click at the beginning, scroll down, find where the prompt ends, press Shift key on the keyboard and click at the end point. That way you can select everything. Now I'm going to copy it, go to new chat, and now let's put this prompt. Make sure work IQ is on. That's how Copilot gets access to your data. And because this is a complex kind of thing, I'm going to use Claude Opus 5, which is the latest model. The output of the chat is ready. It's giving me a breakdown of different categories of work I do. Next, it is giving me various optimization opportunities. It's showing where I should be focusing, but I'm currently not spending time. And finally, it's giving me action items for next 30 days. This is like self-reflection. Work on the suggested action items and change the way you work for better. The next thing to do is to check whether these suggested improvements which you are implementing now are actually working or not. So bottom line, we want this prompt to be run periodically. Scroll all the way up, go to the prompt, click on the prompt. Now you see a small toolbar. There in the clock icon, we get scheduled prompts. In this case, I want it to run every month. Starts on, let's say, first day of the month, runs every month. You also decide till when does it run? Till December. Now, once you save this, it's going to run automatically every month. And then you can compare what's happening and improve further. So here is the summary. First step, add custom instructions if you haven't done so already. Then put a base prompt, get it improved by Prompt Coach, and then submit it either in chat or in Researcher. Analyze the output, study it, find areas of improvement or new ideas, implement them, run similar prompt periodically, and then monitor your improvement. If this is useful to you, then please click on the hype button, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. That's it for now. See you soon. Thank you for watching.